Seemingly equivalent list initialization results in different behavior. I'm solving this challenge on HackerRank in Python 3 and came up with the following solution. This works fine and passes all test cases. The problem is when I change the initialization of sequence from the following to this. Then all test cases fail and I cannot figure out why. There are no other changes in the code. I've even created the following simple test case just to compare the results of these initialization methods. And the result is as expected.
This is the same as this. When you use to create lists, Python doesn't do any copying. All sublists reference the same list. So this line appends to all the lists.
Method 1. Method 2, who. Method 2 creates a list of lists and each member list refers to the same list instance. For underscore in range n, evaluates or creates a, once for each iteration of n, whereas, n evaluates, only once. Hence only one instance is created.
It might appear the same till here as you show. Output. But here's where the difference is visible. Output. This is because lists are mutable data type. The two initialization styles work in different ways, and first one compiler builds it all at once, and hence will be faster, whereas second one builds incrementally. With immutable data types you won't see anything like this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.